This is a human. This is what we look like. This is what we act like.
Shut the fuck up!
Ah!
Blinded by the light.
Die.
Ooh. Can't even hear your own.
Penis!
Holy mother of
Luigi?
What were you thinking? You might have broken my balls! I'm thinking you think too much, pal. What we need is some wake-up music.
Pearl Harbor.
Just enough to keep it from... It bursts into flames. Get it started. Get it started. This is terrible. This is one of the worst catastrophes in the world. Oh, it's all the humanity and all the tragedy screaming around it.
I don't understand how
Sexual intercourse!
it could be fun.
Not supposed to be fun. It's work.
Hang on to your hats, you devil dogs, because the master bebop blaster of all time is gonna give you a
Penis!
injection. All right, fellas, steady. All right, to the right. Yeah, there you go. Sorry for that little interruption, folks.
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes.
Hey.
Actually, about diabetes and how it's affected me in my life.
Why don't you just shut off?
I'll start when I was first diagnosed. I was scared to death. I was experiencing symptoms that were strange, and I went to see a doctor.
Oh, yeah? Did you talk to him recently or something?
The more attention you pay to these things and the more diligent you are, the faster you'll get better and the better you'll feel. And ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly the way it's been. Through the years, the closer I've paid attention to the instructions of my doctor, the better I feel. Now, I'm not perfect. And I've slipped up, and I've eaten ice cream and apple pie, and I've done things I shouldn't do. But I want to tell you, when I don't eat apple pie, and I don't eat ice cream, and I eat the foods that I'm supposed to eat, and I do my exercises, and I take my medicine, and I do...
What up, bitch?
It's free real estate.
We're going out to find...
What? What are you talking about? What do you mean?
Exactly what I said. We're gonna go out and find...
A shadowy multimillionaire who has declared a holy war against the United States.
Afghanistan.
Yeah, no matter what.
Well, how exactly would you propose we're gonna do that exactly?
I don't know. I guess this is it.
Uh-huh. Hey, Blanket.
Huh?
You ready to go, Blanket?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Shag carpet.
Some folks are born made to
with a plan I can understand.
Is a man of great reflection.
There's a man who lays his hand across the land.
Ah, crap!
This is my space, see? And nobody crosses this line. Yeah, well, you better not us with 6 as usual.
What are you complaining about? You didn't do any fucking today.
Yeah.
You know what they say, all toasters toast toast.
Ronald McGoddamn Donald!
You know, for kids.
Electro shock.
Hey, we're not dead. Hey, we're dead.
At the boat show, we always show you beautiful boats, but this one here you have to observe with particular attention. It is clearly appealing to us because it is sporty and very fast. But before taking a look at all that, let's check out the incredible work they have done in designing the hull, the deckhouse and its wings. And then we will make our way inside to observe the interior decor.
When I die and go to heaven and see God, I'm gonna say, shit!
Oopsie daisy. Ho-ho.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
Hey, some guy just whipped in here and was pissing on this tree over here of the Tree of Life God Church, brother.
Did he leave already?
Americans, give it up for this brother. Thank you, brother. You keep that fucker away from pissing on these trees.
I might have to get back in contact.
Oh my God, who are these people? It makes me feel like that.
Very nice. What the fuck? What is this?
And this.
Oh, what the fuck am I watching? What am I watching?
It was he who had chanced the perilous journey through blistering cold and scorching desert, traveling for many days and nights, risking life and limb to reach
Cleveland! A113. This is it. Stand aside, my meager companion.
Please, feel free to enter. Oh, yes.
Little pony, my little pony.
Cut!
Everything's gonna be okay. Bad stuff happens in the bathroom.
Hey! What's the idea?
Were you watching that channel? I've never seen contraptions with so many buttons and knobs and dials before.
Naturally. We are on the cutting edge of technology.
Water, fire, air, and dirt.
magnets? How do they work?
We did good, didn't we? Yep.
Terrorists win.
Why, listen to this. I'm picking up something. I think it's a news flash.
Ha 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 ha!